Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And I am back with a video, and I got this video from Now This News, and it is about a police officer who pulls over two black males. And so what I'm going to do is do a legal analysis on this video. So if you are interested to find out what happens and what racial profiling looks like, stay tuned to this video.
Yeah, look at this guy. Here's part two. So you know it's about to turn up. These niggas gonna try to bloop niggas for no reason. All that. Let me see. My license is legit.
So here, one of the young black males is going to be spilling out the things that he has. He mentions his license is legit. And so the reason he is going down this list of things is because driving while black, it is a real thing. Some people don't know that it's a real thing, but it is. Police officers will pull you over simply because you're black.
I ain't freaking lying, because I sit there and pull somebody over for nothing.
Because when I went by and you saw me, your jaw dropped. That's why.
My jaw dropped.
I know you looked right at me.
Is my jaw dropping illegal? Come on, sir.
You didn't say anything about being illegal.
So why you telling me anything about what am I doing if I'm not committing a crime, man?
Yeah, look at this guy. Here's part two. So you know it's about to turn up. These niggas gonna try to bloop niggas for no reason. All that. Let me see. My license is legit. Where'd my registration go? Oh yeah, Lord. Where is my registration? Got it right here for you. Are you ready? We got tail lights, headlight bulbs. What else we need? Look, we got the tail lights. Tail lights in case they try to lie. We got extra tail lights on deck.
So the young man is mentioning the tail lights because essentially the police could say, oh, well, your tail light is out, and that is the reason why we pulled you over. In order for a police officer to pull you over, they have to have reasonable suspicion. They cannot just pull you over for absolutely no reason. So always keep that in mind. And I do have other videos that go more in detail about this. So if you want to know more about reasonable suspicion, please watch those other videos. But specifically here, you need to know the police cannot just pull you over for no reason at all. They have to have a reason. So here the young man mentions he dares the cop, says it smells like anything. And so the reason behind this saying is because if a police officer pulls you over and says that, oh, it smells like narcotics, or it smells like marijuana, or it smells like some type of drug, then they can go and do a dog sniff search on the vehicle. And then if the dog sniff search turns out that the dog hints that it's something in the vehicle, then they in turn can search the vehicle. So this is why the young man is mentioning this. Now, with modern day laws, a lot of things are changing, and the laws are not catching up as fast. So pretty much what's happening is a lot of you know that cannabis is becoming legal in a lot of states. However, the police officers are acting as if that's not a thing. So we have to stay tuned with the news and the laws to figure out how is this going to play into how the cops do their searches. The cops asked the passenger, did he have an ID? So if you are a passenger in a vehicle and the cops ask you to identify yourself, you do also have to identify yourself. If a police officer asks you to step out of a vehicle during a traffic stop, just step out of the vehicle. You do have to do that. This is racial profiling at its finest. At this moment, the passenger had just given the police officer consent to search the vehicle. However, the passenger does not have the authority to consent this vehicle to a search if it's not his vehicle. This is the driver's vehicle. So because the driver is present, the driver would have to be the one to grant consent. The police officer does not have the right to search this vehicle at this moment, which is why a search did not ensue. So never give the police officers a right to search your vehicle. It does not matter if you have absolutely nothing in the car. The reason for being so, because police officers can plant things in your vehicle and charge you with finding evidence that they have seized that was never there to begin with. Never, ever, ever consent to a search of your vehicle. The officer pretended as if he did not know the passenger when this officer pulled over this vehicle in the beginning. Please excuse my dog, guys. But the officer pretended he didn't know this passenger. As you can see, as this encounter continues, the police officer does know the passenger. So it looks as if the police officer just wants to harass these young men because he knows the passenger. The police just admitted that he pulled this vehicle over for absolutely no reason. At first, he said he pulled them over for an obstructing view from something that was hanging from the mirror. So clearly, that was not the reason why the police pulled them over. The passenger here is upset, and he has every reason to be upset. The police is accusing him of being a drug dealer. He's saying that he's picking up and dropping off narcotics, and the young man states that he has never been in custody, he's never been in handcuffs, so why would they just assume that this is what is happening? And so it looks as if they have a target on his back, and they are trying to get him some charges. So that's what it appears to be in this situation. So as you can see from this video, that driving while black is a thing, and these two young men were being racially profiled, and it happens very, very often in America. I mean, very often, every single day. This is happening all over the country. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will have more videos to be uploading. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below, all those good things to stay up to date with all my new videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.